皆さん、こんにちは。私はハキーム・ハンと言います。よろしくお願いします。僕は日本語を勉強しています。日本の映画が好きです。黒澤明の映画が大好きです。いつも友達と映画を見ます。21歳です。僕は写真家です。楽しいな仕事です。これが日本語の動画ですよ。ありがとうございます。For those of you who don't know, I'm learning Japanese, which is ranked the third most difficult language in the world after Arabic and Mandarin, and I can see why after 6 months of learning. So first, why did I start learning Japanese? So in my final year of university, my professor told me about a program where English speakers teach English in Korea, and I found that interesting. So I did some research and I found out there was a program called JET, where you teach English to high schoolers in Japan. And I wanted to do that. So JET stands for Japanese Exchange Teaching Program, where you teach English to high schoolers in Japan, and it's more of a teaching assistant role. The more I read about it, the more interesting it became. But I didn't want to go unprepared, so I started learning Japanese. I started by downloading Duolingo, which actually did give me a good start, and I would recommend that if you're visiting the country for a month or two. But for actual learning, I would better recommend actually going into classes and learning with a native Japanese speaker or teacher. So in terms of books, here are the books that have helped me learn Japanese. Number one, of course, is the dictionary. It's mainly helped me with when I'm looking for words and I'm just writing in Japanese. This has helped me find those words. And it even has pages to help you with your grammar. So if you have these pages, helps you with your grammar. I highly recommend this book. Also, what's really good about this book is that it just, like I know, alhamdulillah, right now I know the basic sentence structure, but if I can't find a certain word, this will help me find that word. So just for your basic dictionary, this is what I recommend. Now for writing, what I recommend is something like these. These are to help you with your writing and for your basic stroke order. I have two, one for hiragana and one for katakana. I got these both from Lingoclass, which I study in Manchester. Obviously my handwriting is really bad, but with this it has improved a lot. Now the best way to explain the writing is that there are three alphabets. There's hiragana, katakana and kanji. Hiragana and katakana, alhamdulillah, they are, if you study well, they are easy to remember. It's just the kanji, because the kanji I think is about 7,000 characters, and then there are about 4 or 7 different meanings for each, so that multiplies to maybe 80,000. I think I'm probably wrong, but the way it is that there'll be many of the same pronunciation. The words will sound the same, but they'll be written differently, which is how they are different. Like the word Japanese and English is just Japanese. That could mean anything, but when you say in Japanese, Nihongo is the Japanese language, Nihonjin is the Japanese people. That's why for writing you have to know everything. And the fourth book I'd recommend, this is more of a travel book. This is more of if you're going to travel to Japan, but I use this just as basic reading. It helps me learn the culture. Like right now I could speak as a tourist, but if you don't know as much Japanese as I would do, I would highly recommend this if you're going to Japan, because it has the basic phrases and words that you would need for getting around, for getting to the train, for eating, for accommodations. So yeah, this I highly recommend. I got this book in Waterstones. You can get the dictionary in Waterstones as well, but the writing books, I got those from my class. You can't buy those come with the course, with the language course, but you can get other resources online to help you with your writing. So this led me to looking for classes, and I found one class called Lingoclass Manchester, and it's a language learning class where they specialise in East Asian languages like Mandarin and Japanese. So I joined, and for 6 months I've been taking their night classes, and in the next scene is going to show you what I've learnt with my sensei, Daisuke sensei.
こんにちは。
こんにちは。
調子はどうですか？
いいですよ。
いいですか？最近の仕事はどうですか？
最近仕事は楽しいです。
どこ出身ですか？
私はパキスタン出身です。
何歳ですか？
僕は21歳です。
日本には行ったことがありますか？
いや。
東京で何がしたいですか？
東京に写真を撮ります。
今のお仕事は何ですか？
僕は写真家です。
好きなスポーツは何ですか？
僕はボクシングが好きです。
好きな季節は？
夏が大好きです。
暑いのは好きですか？
はい。
涼しいのは好きですか？
少し。
アニメは好きですか？
はい、大好き。
何のアニメが好きですか？
モンスターと進撃の巨人が好きです。
漫画は読みますか？
はい。ナルトとドラゴンボール Z 読みまして。
一番好きなアニメは何ですか？
ドラゴンボール Z が一番好き。
なんで好きなんですか？
僕は映画が大好きです。黒沢先生はとても面白いです。
好きな食べ物は何ですか？
僕はラーメンが一番好き。
日本人の友達はいますか？
僕の日本人友達は大好き先生です。
日本語を勉強して何年ですか
6月に勉強してる。
日本語は好きですか？
はい、大好きです。
楽しいですか？
楽しいです。
Now, for those wanting to start learning a language, I would say that the best type is to just go to class. I would say find a class like Lingoclass that works for you and learn properly in a class with face-to-face conversations. Learning in a class with the face-to-face conversation can help immensely build your confidence when speaking to another person in that language. Now let me show you some more Japanese that I've learned. 日本語はとても難しいです。でも僕が好きです。面白いなんです。7ヶ月に勉強してる。夏に日本語のよく試験をします。試験は好きじゃありません。難しいなんです。じゃあこれは私の日本語勉強動画ですよ。ありがとうございます。また今度。